Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a killer car, 1969 Camaro with a big block. It's finished in black. It's a X11 car. And I got John here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, John?
Not too bad. Yourself?
Dude, what a car, man.
Yeah, not too bad. A little toy I got a few years ago from a buddy of mine.
Cool.
So it's a 427 big block, brand new 700 R, automatic tranny with overdrive.
Cool. A little stall in that, or?
Yes, and I banged the rear gears down to, I believe, 373s. So it was more of a cruise. I was cruising down the interstate today, 75 miles an hour.
Yeah, with that big tire on the back.
Yeah, no issues.
Yeah.
Interior's immaculate. Power steering rack, brand new, and tubular A-arm front suspension with the Wilwood brake system.
Made by Strong Arm. Those are awesome.
Fuel tank set up with the pump and the battery in the back with an on-off switch.
Cool.
It's really set up quite well.
Nice. Those are P275s in the back, Mickey Thompson. Actually, MH drag radials. Those are drag masters. Keep it nice and sticky. I had those on my Mustang.
Okay.
A little over 13-inch tire on that. Really hooked it up nice.
Yeah, I also have the 4-speed Muncie with a fine spline, bell housing, drive shaft.
Cool.
To change it back to a 4-speed if it needed to be.
Well, I kind of like the automatic myself.
Yeah, well, I had done it because I got my knee replaced.
I have a 700R4 in my Chevelle.
Okay. Chink spoiler right there.
I like how you painted the bumpers too.
Yeah, painted the bumpers to give it that newer look.
Right. Steel cowl hood.
Steel, everything, all new metal. Whole car's all brand new metal, no Bondo whatsoever.
Super straight, gorgeous body too. It's kind of hard to hide in black.
Yes,
You know?
yeah, it's immaculate.
Got Wilwoods up front.
Yes, it's stock, the drums in the back.
Crossed it, drilled, and slotted. And then you got buckets, added gauges, B&M Shifter. Rear spoiler. It's a correct rear spoiler too. I like to see how it's curved right here.
Yes. Fits the contour.
Really fits nice. Beautiful interior.
So the shifter we put on with the tranny, brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Carpet was updated. All there.
Nice. I like how the pedals down there, so if they want to switch
Yeah.
back.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, I had the setup, the bell housing, the tranny, the drive shaft. It basically
Cool.
take one out, put the other one in.
Beautiful dash. Showing 11,716 miles. Is that how many miles you have on the motor?
Motor, jeez. It can't have 20. Probably less.
Wow.
Because all it was done was parades and little car shows.
Yeah, sure. Let's check under the hood. Beautiful. 427. Steel heads. Love that intake. It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, and there's the power steering rack we put on and added the chrome alternator.
Yeah, I like the tubular A-arms.
Yeah.
Adjustable shocks up front. Got MSD. 6400. What kind of carburetor? Double pumper?
Yeah, I believe.
900 or what is it? Looks pretty big. Electronic Ignition. That's an MSD Distributor. MSD Blaster Coil. Beautiful headers. Jeez. Those are American Racing. Oh,
Yeah, we changed them out when we had to change, when we did the A-arms because they had to fit. So it affected it. And with the power steering and everything, we had to upgrade the headers.
Cool. Let's fire it up. go for a quick ride. Woo, it's hot.
Yes.
It's gotta be 90 something degrees right now. Pretty cool.
Yeah, they didn't get above 180 running 40 minutes for my stuff. That's real nice.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.